Weight loss can be a gruesome activity if not done right. Most of the time, our preference is to get slim and fit without putting in a lot of effort. However, if you want to see real-time weight loss result without jeopardizing your health, here are the 5 best summer detox water recipes that would reduce your body and eliminate toxins from the body. Drinking 6 to 8 cups of water is the best thing you can perform to loosen weight and fight against dehydration. In addition, the detox water fills up your stomach and lets you eat mindfully. Besides that, the detox water also helps in curbing down the urge of hunger. Here are the recipes that you can easily follow to make the detox water. The cinnamon strawberry detox water. Ingredients: 1 cinnamon stick or medium strawberry. Method: cut the strawberries into small chunks. Take a pitcher of water and add strawberry chunks to it. Add the cinnamon stick to the water and keep it in the fridge for 4 hours. You can enjoy it at any time of the day. I would recommend using it during workout. The detox water proves to be highly refreshing during and after exercise. You can also take the drink before sleeping as your body tends to get rid of toxins the best at night. Lime and mint detox water. Following are the ingredients you will need for making the detox water: 2 medium-sized lemons, few leaves of mint, and water. Method: cut the lime into thin slices and get rid of the seeds. If you did not extract the seed, the water would turn bitter. Add all the content in a bottle and fill it up with water. Please leave it in the refrigerator for 5 to 6 hours. You can either drink the water throughout the day or drink it in one sitting. You refill the container 3 to 4 times or until the ingredients start losing their flavor. Apple, cinnamon, and honey detox water. Ingredients: 1 large-sized apple, 1 stick of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of honey. Method: cut the apple into small chunks. Do not make the piece too small as it can cause the hazard of choking. Add 1.5 liters in the bottle and add all the ingredients. Leave the water in a cold place for 5 hours, then consume the water and refill it 3 to 4 times. Do not refill when the flavoring reduces. Cucumber and apple detox water. 1 large cucumber, 1 medium-sized apple, a few mint leaves, 1.5 liters of water. Method: cut cucumber and apples into thin slices. Ensure that the pits of apples do not infuse in water as it can make the water taste bitter. Pour the sliced cucumber and apple in a big container along with a few leaves of mint. Infuse the content in water for 3 to 4 hours. Refrigerate 1 hour before consumption. You can refill the content 4 times and throw away the content later. Grapefruit and apple cider detox water. Ingredients: 1 big grapefruit, 1 tablespoon of cider vinegar, 1 large-sized lemon. Method: thinly slice grapefruit and lemon. Take a big pitcher and add the sliced citrus items to it. Add water and leave it for diffusion for 5 hours. The best place for proper material infusion is in the refrigerator. Use it once it is appropriately cold and all the antioxidants come in the water. You can refill the cold water in the material over 3 times. However, if the taste changes, stop adding more water and discard the content of detox water. Conclusion: detox water helps in the active reduction of weight in people addition. It helps in vital detoxifying organs from toxins that cause several ailments in the body. The infused water also helps in curbing hunger in people. All the recipes mentioned above are very easy to make. Besides that, the ingredients are also cheap.
Anyways, let me know what you think about in the comment section below. I will see you all tomorrow. Don't forget to click the like button and share this video with your friends. Always stay tuned and subscribe to our channel by hitting the bell icon to see our latest videos. Thanks for joining us today.